Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel NFT Gem. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest earning video. So guys, let's start our today's video without delay. Today I'm going to show you a very good platform which you can earn a huge income, and to the side link in my video description. You can click there, open the browser. It will bring into this interface. As you can see, the site name is Walmart, and today I will show you how to create account in this platform. So without this, keep watch my full video. So first of all, you need to register account in this platform. So simply input your email address, put your password, and put your confirmation password. After you complete all details, simply click the sign in button, and your account already ready for sign in. My account already ready, so I put my details and click the sign in button. After I click the sign in button, you can see the site all details available in here. You can read the site all details, and you can see the site minimum investment are 8 USDT and minimum withdrawal 2 USDT. If you deposit 8 USDT, you can earn regular 2 USDT easily. After you did all details, simply click the I know button, and you can see the me section. Click the me section. You can see the asset, how much asset you have. I will show you how to recharge in this platform. Simply click the recharge option. You can see there are 4 methods available for recharge: TRC20, TRX, BEP20 USDT, and BNB. You can choose TRC20 and copy the address and go to the your wallet, your regular wallet, which wallet you are used for deposit. So after I go my wallet, you can see choice USDT and send option, and paste the address and put the amount, how much your amount interest for deposit. I already complete my deposit. After you successfully deposit, come here and click the recharge complete button. After you click the recharge complete button, you can click back icon and again click the back icon. You can see the bell. My recharge is already complete, so I will show you how to complete the tax and withdraw. Simply click the tax option. You can see they are available on tax, and simply click the to complete it option. After I click the complete option, you can see the site is loading. After the loading completed, I will show you this site interface. As you can see, my tax is already complete. You can see I click my completed option. You can see my tax is already complete. So simply click the me section. You can see my total balance is 10 USDT. Then I will show you how to withdraw your money. So simply go your wallet. After I go my wallet and choose TRC20. After I choose TRC20, and I will show you how to withdraw your money easily. So copy the address. After you copy your address, simply go to your site and click the withdraw option. After you click the withdraw option, put your amount, how much amount you are interested for withdraw. So simply put the address and paste your TRC20 address. After you paste TRC20 address, simply put your password. After complete the all details, simply click the confirm button, and you can see my withdrawal are already processed done. Withdrawal successfully done, and I will show you I received my withdrawal under 1 minute. Simply I go to my wallet, and I will show you I received my withdrawal just under 1 minute. You can see I log in my wallet, and I simply go to my another wallet. I received my withdrawal under 1 minute. You can see. So friends, you can see I received my withdrawal under 1 minute, and I will show you this withdrawal successfully done. You can see, and you can simply click the home section. You can see the site interface. As you can see the site, many kind of BIP available in here: BIP1, BIP2, BIP3, BIP4, and also have BIP5. You can see there are many kind of BIP available, and you can see there have a team option. Click the team option. You can see there are 3 levels available for team commission: level 1 15%, level 2 2%, and level 3 1%. And you can see there have a referral link. Copy the link and go to your social media, share the link, and you can earn more income by the referring. After you sharing this, you can come here, and you can see there are many kind of language available: English, France, Portugal, Arabic, and many kind of language available. If you face any problem, so you simply contact the customer service. You can see there have a customer service icon. You can click there. You can see there have a customer service details available, and if you face any problem, simply contact the customer service and solve your problem. So guys, I don't force anyone deposit here. This is your own choice, so your own risk. Take care, and until video, see you next another running video.